Every 6 months, we've been very diligent about changing our water filter with the official Samsung one from Home Depot or Lowe's, but they're so expensive that I tried this 3-pack of lookalikes from Amazon, and pleased to report it worked great, and as you can tell, the water is coming out perfectly clear. Here are the two side by side. I just took the official Samsung one out, and this is the lookalike that I purchased from Amazon. They are identical except for the very end where you kind of twist it in, and they insert just the same. You put it in the slot, and you have to push a lot of force and pressure to lock it into place, but once you do, the water comes out. I did run it through about 2 gallons just to make sure it was clear, and I did verify that I had the correct model by looking at the model of my Samsung fridge and comparing it to the listing on Amazon. This is the DA29-00020B model coconut shell filter. It is for operating temps 33 to 100, pressure up to 100 psi. The flow weight is at 0.66 gallons. Filter life about 6 months. I do love no BPA and no lead. And the reason you use filters in the first place is any area with chlorine, odors, impurities. That's what it's designed to collect. It is food grade material. I love that it's coconut shell carbon block for the effective filtration. It fits in just nicely. You just go from the lock to the unlocked position to take the old one out and then twist it back in to get it back in. So no hassle, no tools. You just kind of twist, pull out, and replace every 6 months or 300 gallons, whichever comes first. We've been doing this for years, and we've literally had no problem whatsoever. And because you're not paying for the name brand or the big box store, you can get 3 for about the price that I can get 1. So I do love economics and convenience of purchasing through Amazon. Anyway, hope that helps. If you love clean, great tasting water and that's a priority for you, then I would suggest using these filters. We've had no issues and everything is turning out great for us.